Electric vehicles are no longer just part of the future, they are becoming our reality. But what's coming next is far more advanced than anything we've seen before. In this video, we explore the most exciting electric cars expected to hit the roads by the year 2030. Concepts that could change transportation forever. Rumors of an Apple car have circulated for years, but engineers and patents suggest the company is finally approaching a real release. Powered by silent electric motors and a self-driving AI system, the so-called iCar is expected to feature a minimal box-shaped exterior, hidden wheels, and a clean white interior covered in transparent display screens. It connects seamlessly with all Apple devices, turning the car into a moving personal assistant with wheels.